Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about basic geometrical ideas. Basic geometrical ideas means geometry. What is the meaning of geometry? Geometry is the combination of two words, geo plus metry. Geo means earth and metry means measurement. That means earth measurement. How we measure the earth, or we measure the different shapes. Like we are watching so many things in our life. Like I am holding this pen, this notebook. Everything is having a shape. Like our house or our furniture, like chairs, tables, bed, our appliances, washing machine, fan, everything is having a shape. So how these shapes are generated? Why we need this? All these things, they are starting from which they are starting. How we are starting these things? If we are writing a word, suppose I am writing A or I am writing B. So how I start? We start with a point. When we start learning, so we start learning with the point. Like we start learning to join two points like this. When small kids start learning, they start learning with joining two points like this. Standing or sleeping or slanting. So many things they are learning. Means our life starts from a point. So first we will discuss about the point. So what is a point? The tip of this pen, tip of this pencil, whatever you are using, that is a point. Like if you are using a compass or you are using a nail, a needle, that's tip. That is called a point. A point. From that very point, we start drawing things. Like if we are having 2 points, we are joining 2 points like this point and this point. Then what does it become? Suppose this, the notebook, this line. See, I am joining this point and last this point. So what does it make? It makes a line. So same way, I am joining 2 points. So it makes a, what it makes? A line segment. So we can see so many examples of line segment in our life. Suppose this, if we join 2 edges of a notebook, then this make a line segment. Edges of notebook. Or if we are having a paper, if we fold a paper, then a line makes there, a image makes there. That is called a line segment. Or if we are having a pen like this, so this point and this point, both these points make a line segment. Why these are making a line segments? Because they are having 2 end points. Every line segment is having 2 end points. Suppose if I am naming this is A and this is B, so it will be called line segment A, B. Okay. So after this, if what I do, if I extend these points, suppose I am extended this here and this here. This is A and this is B. What does it become? It becomes a line. How it becomes a line? Because now AB, line segment, both are extended to both the sides and it becomes a line. Because they can be extended to any extent. We can extend it to any point, anywhere. So it will be called a line. So any example you can take of a line. Give me any example of your line. So these can be extended to anywhere. So if I am drawing like this, C, D. So anywhere I can extend these 2 lines. If I have two lines. Suppose I am having two lines, like I will draw one line here and one line here, like the X in our English letters. We write X in our English letter. So where these lines meet, where these intersect, this is called intersecting lines. Or if we write E letter, so here also this intersect, here also these two lines intersect, and here also these two lines intersect. But mainly we use intersecting with the letter of X. Or we can take any example of intersecting lines, X letter, or like we are having the edges of the table. Suppose we are having this table, so we are drawing the table, so these two lines are intersecting here, so these are called the intersecting lines. Next is parallel lines. What are parallel? Have you seen the railway track? Railway track lines, mostly they goes like this. These lines never meet. So the lines which never meet, that are called parallel lines. The best example is our railway track, or you can say your ruler. If we are drawing a ruler like this, so this line and this line, both these lines never meet. That lines are called parallel lines. Or you can take any example, like if you are having your door, okay, this is your door, so this line and this line, this will never meet, so these will called parallel lines. So we are having so many examples in our daily life of parallel lines, or intersecting lines, or lines. And next one is, if we extend a point, suppose this is a point A and I will extend this point to only one direction, I am not extended it to two directions, then it will be called a ray. Ray. Have you seen your torch light? If you on your torch, then what do you see? You will see, suppose this is your torch, okay, so this type of light you see. So all of these are called rays. Or you see, the best example is your sun. Your sun is always spreading its rays to give us heat and warmth. So these lines, the sun rays, that the sunlight, that comes in the form of rays, because it is having only one end point and other point is not ended in any time. It is always spreading its light. So these are called rays. So we have seen today, first thing is point, then line segment, then line, then intersecting lines, and then parallel lines and rays. So you can see so many examples of these things in your house, and you can understand these things like point, line segment, line, intersecting line, parallel lines and rays, and you can comment in the comment section. Thank you. If you like my video, like it, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.